guys, welcome back to my channel. MissBT here, coming to you guys today with a Kirkland's collaboration. So I am so excited to be working with Kirkland's. They are actually dropping their new Tropical Oasis collection in their stores. So if you're not sure what Kirkland's is, it is a home decor store that is probably near you. So I will go to kirklands.com and I'll list that down below in the description box as well. But they are an online home decor store, and they also have in-store locations as well. So Kirkland's is definitely one of my favorite places to shop, and you guys probably hear me talk about it often in my home decor hauls because I'm always there. But I'm really excited because I am actually working with them this time around, and they are actually dropping their new Tropical Oasis collection, which is inspired by the idea of your home being your personal oasis. So this is super exciting. Everyone wants their home to be their personal just place of peace. So Kirkland's has a bunch of stuff that they are launching here very soon, if not already, and they shared a couple of items with me that I want to share with you. But these things are kind of handcrafted, so definitely lots of wood tones and lots of texture, and think of like spa kind of resort feel. A lot of the items in this collection are inspired that way, very handcrafted, woven baskets, things like that, and it's super beautiful. So if you guys have never shopped at Kirkland's, I will actually insert some footage here so that you guys can see the inside of some of the stores. I love walking around in there. It smells good. There's always a bunch of sales. And so when they drop new collections, it's always so much fun to go in there and just browse around. So Kirkland's was nice enough to share two beautiful items with me that I want to show you guys. So item number one is this huge two-tone like geo square. So it is a, let me see, it is a 30 by 30, and it's beautiful. You see how it has this white and wood natural tones. It's somewhat 3D because you can see that it has layers to it, but it's easy to hang. So it has hooks on the back here so that you can hang it up on a wall, but it's also pretty sturdy, so I'm sure you could lean this up against something if you wanted to. I already have an idea of where I'm putting this, so I'll show you guys that here in just a second. But this thing is absolutely beautiful. So for and in the collection, this retails at $60, so $59.99, and I'm sure you can find this online and in store as well. So this is just one of the many items that is a part of the Tropical Oasis collection. Okay, so then the second thing is actually one of these little wooden slat trays. So it's just like this. As you can see here, it's very natural wood all the way around, and it has these natural beadings right here as the handles. So it's super, I felt like this was really cute for like a bathroom or even like a guest room or something, because it's just a cute little tray to sit a couple of things on. So even if you sit it down like on a coffee table or something and have a candle sitting on it, I thought that that was super cute. So there's this tray, and then this tray retails at $19.99, so $20 for this one. And it's definitely for decorative use only, so I don't recommend you know, allowing this to get wet or anything like that, seeing that it is kind of that wood material, but it is nice and heavy, so that's pretty good. So I'm excited because I already know where I'm gonna set this, and I'll show you guys that in just a second too. So there's also a ton of other things that are included in this collection, such as pineapples and huge leaves, like leaf trays and things like that. So if you are looking to kind of theme out a bathroom or a guest room, or just kind of spruce up a specific space in your house, I would definitely, you know, check out Kirkland's and their Tropical Oasis collection, because that's definitely going to be aligned to just that whole relaxation and calming effect, and that will be available here very soon. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where I'm gonna put this stuff, so I'll just come with me.